Alright, what's up everybody? It's your boy Cello. I got my cameraman with me here today, and we're making a vid. So we went to Target and we got these packs today. Obviously I don't really know too much about baseball, so we're gonna hopefully get something good in here because we're waiting outside of store to get some prism packs. So yeah, we decided to make this. So there are 4 packs with 4 cards in them, and then this one is supposed to be like the good cards. So we'll open up this one first. Alright, so we got Ichiro, solid card. That's not bad. We got Jesus Aguilar. Alright. We got, I don't know how to say this dude's name, but Aristides Aquino. I don't know how you say that.
Ooh, rookie card.
But rookie card. Nick Turley. Okay, it's not bad. Alright, next one. Next one, we got Alec Mills. Ooh, Decades 2020 Ronald Acuna Jr. Ooh, that's solid. Alright. We got Cy Sneed. It's not bad. And Eric Magina. I don't know how you say that. But alright. Last of like the regular cards, so hopefully we get someone good. And yes, I can open these now, so we're good. We got Jared Dyson, Nico Horner, Todd Frazier, not bad, and CJ Korn, or Kron, I don't know. Alright, now this should be the best pack that we get, so hopefully we get an autograph. We need it. Alright, I'll go from the back. Oh my god. Alright. Alright. Uh-oh. That sucks. We got Brendan McKay, rookie card, and Gabe Spear. I don't know if these are any good, but they're both rookies, so solid. Alright, we'll put them in sleeves. So thank you for joining into this little video. I should have the Prism video out soon. Hopefully we get these cards today, but yeah, sell out. Have a good one.